What is going on, folks? This is Antoine here. Just wanted to do a quick video to tell you guys a little bit about myself, and just bring you into my mindset. As you can see from the title of this book, Submission Corporation, you know right then and there I'm a problem solver. So while in high school, I heard about this guy, Lonnie Johnson. He was the guy who created the Super Soaker. So I found out he was a black guy. So that created all types of motivation for me. He was an engineer. And right after high school, I set out on a course to become an inventor. My main objective, my main goal after high school was to become an inventor. But life happened. But during this process or this mindset, when I wanted to become an inventor, I came up with an idea or solution, created a prototype, and then presented it to the Invention Submission Corporation. So if you're not familiar with the Invention Submission Corporation, right now I believe they're called idea.com. I don't have no idea why they changed their name. I don't know if they were scamming, but at the time when I went to them, I had to pay $1,500 for them to research my idea. So for the $1,500, they research your patent, make sure there's no other patents out there like yours, and let you know if you could proceed with your patent or not. And keep in mind, at this time I already had my prototype. I got the parts, I built my prototype, and I brought my prototype, everything to them guys. So in this book, you know, they break it down. They break down your invention and, you know, everything you need to know about the market you are looking to get into. Everything about the market. Like I said, I don't know if it's a scam or not, but that's where I ended. Like I said, life happened. But I am saying that to say this. I am back in invention mode. So over the past week, my objective was to create an indoor antenna that is superior to the ones you get off Amazon, specifically the ones that tout HD. As you can see right here, we're getting 34 channels. This is the amount of channels I get with my best antenna in this area. Now, I'm not getting these channels with my best antenna is in my area, so I just want to show you guys that antenna. It's the You Must Have antenna. Normally I get around 34-35 channels with this antenna, but this is not what's getting my signal. So if we take a look at the TV right here, so we're just gonna follow this coaxial. You know, I'm in the lab right now, so it's a lot of wires and stuff everywhere. But if we follow this wire, it's not going to this. It's going to a project I'm working on right here. So I'm working on something that I can show you guys, and you can make it your own. As you can see, we got 35 channels off of a piece of paper with a specific pattern on the front of this paper. And once I get it all finalized, I'm gonna show you guys this pattern, but you know, in the meantime, I'm still gonna be working on something much better and much solid and much reliable than this. But look out for that video to come on this specific. I guess you could call this as an antenna. As you can see, it costs less than 99 cents. I got popsicle sticks right there with some screws through it, but I got a pattern on the other side, and that's what it's about. We're creating antennas. It's about the pattern you create. So look for that, folks, in the future. And I will talk to you guys next time.